Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our daily lesson. Today we're gonna learn how to find the unknown angles. The unknown angles. So our first example 1, we are given a line cross another line, and then this one there's a divide, and we given this side 50, and we are asked to find the rest. So this one they write, see, and suppose C means they are equal, and then this one whatever they write X, and then this one is right Y. So as we know, a straight line is 180 degree. So this one and this one together, they must make up to 180 degree. So the rest, they must make up 180 degree as well. 180 degree. So 180 minus 50 is going to be 130. Here is going to be 130. And then this one is going to be 130 because of an opposite angles. You know, this side and this side are the same. 130, 130. And then so this one, then the remaining, this one is 50. These two, they must share the 50. But since they are equal, each must be 25, and then this one must be 25. So we solve. So when we add all of them, they're gonna make up to 360 degree. So the whole thing in equals 360 degree. Because 130, if you add 50, is 180, and the other on top is gonna be 180. So that's the way we do. Our second example, example number 2, we are given and then they wrote here is gonna this angle is 82 degrees, and then here is 30, and then we must find the rest. We must find here assumes A, and then this one is B, and then this one is C and D. We must find all those. So if this one is 30, so we know an opposite angle theorem, this one we're gonna use OAT. OAT means opposite angle theorem. This one is 30, C must be 30. This one is gonna be 30 as well. And so this and this together must make up 180, and then we subtract this one must be 150, because 150 plus 30 is 180. And then this one we're going to use OAT as well, 150. 1A is 150, B is going to be 150. So now, then we add 82 and this one. So we're going to subtract 180 degree, because inside of the triangle, they make up to 180 degree. Then 82 plus 112. 112, and then we subtract. So this one is going to be 7, 10, 8, 7 minus 68, 0, and then here is going to be 68. Because 68, if we add 2, is going to be 70, is going to be 150, and that's going to be 2 days. So it's correct. All our solutions are very good, correct. And our third example, we are given example number 3. We're given two parallel lines, and then they cut that, and then this. They wrote here, so they write here, and this one is x, this one is x, they must be equal, and then this one we don't know is gonna be y, and then they write here this one is f, and then this one is 110, and then here they wrote b. That's it. So what we're gonna do is, if this one is 110, this one is gonna be 110, and here is gonna be 70, because if you add, it's gonna be 180, and then so then this one is gonna be 110. Here is gonna be 110, we know, because of the OAT, opposite angle theorem. So since 110 is here, 110 is here, this one must be 70. And then these two, they must share, because since they are equal, they must share 70 minus 180, 110. So this one is going to be 55. And then this one is going to be 55, because 55 plus 50 is 110, and then we add 70. So inside we have to add it and then subtract 180, so 70. So this one is going to be 125 minus 180. 180 minus 125. So this one's 7, and then this one is going to be 10. When we subtract 5, 7 minus 2 is 5. Yeah, this one is 55, so we're right. So whatever we did there is correct. Yeah, 55. Why? Even this one, if we think about Z shape, you know, and this one Z shape, so this one and that one must be the same, 55, because it's alternate angles. So that's why, so if we use even Z shape, this and this must be equal. They call alternate angle, AT, alternate angles. So all our solutions are correct. Yeah, very good. This one is right. We give an example 4. Example 4. They give us isosceles triangle. So two sides are equal. They give us a two side equal two sides. Yeah, two sides are equal. That's what they said. Okay, let's assume that. So 2, 2, 2, this one, yeah, the middle somewhere here. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so this one, 2 at the middle somewhere at the center. Then we connect. Okay, so they said this and that are equal, and then they wrote here 72. What's gonna be here? That's what they ask us. So since ITT, isosceles triangle theorem, says if these two sides are equal, the opposite angles must be equal. So x must be 72 as well. So that's what they asked. That's it. So which is going to be correct, and then yeah, so they want to find here y. So we add these two, and then we subtract 180. So 70, 144, yeah, 144 minus 180. So this one 7, 10, 6, 7, 26. Yeah, so this one is going to be 36. That is correct. So now, question 5, they ask us just to prove a little bit. So this one they said a triangle, this, and then here is, I suppose, is 50, and then this one is gonna be, assume, yeah, so this one's smaller. So if we write this one, 40. Same with this one is 40, 45. And then they ask us to prove what's gonna be this angle. That's what they want. And then after that, and then we're gonna write exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. Yeah, exterior angle theorem. So we're gonna get what they call exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. So this two we added 95 and then we subtract, so 180. So 95 minus 180, so it's gonna be 90. Yeah, so yeah, 85. So this one is gonna be 85. If this one is 85, this one must be 95, because 95 then 90, 180. So exterior angle says this angle, this one is called exterior angle. This angle is equal the addition of the opposite two angles, then it's going to be our exterior. So we don't need even to calculate 85. So if we know this is the opposite, we could write 85, right? 95 right away. That's called exterior angle theorem. Okay, one more. So one more. So this one is, suppose is 30. This one is 90. So what's gonna be here? So this one, so you add this one, 90 plus 30, 120, and then this one is gonna be 60. Which all are correct. That's what we. So inside the triangle, all the angles must be equal to 180 degrees. That's it. Have a great day, everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.